Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to send an ACH payment in 2025. If you're dealing with bills, refunds, or transfers, ACH is your go-to for secure, electronic payments. It's like the backbone of US banking, and with 2025's updates, it's faster and more user-friendly than ever. Let's break it down step by step so you can do this confidently. First things first, what's an ACH payment? It stands for Automated Clearing House, a network that handles electronic transfers between banks. In 2025, new regulations mean quicker processing times, often just one business day, and better fraud protection. To get started, you'll need a bank account with online access. Most major banks like Chase or Bank of America have streamlined this process. Step 1. Log into your bank's website or mobile app. Make sure you're using a secure connection. Look for that little padlock icon. Once in, head to the Payments or Transfers section. You'll usually find an option for ACH or domestic wire transfers. Step 2. Enter the recipient's details. This includes their bank's routing number and their account number. Pro tip: double-check these to avoid any delays or fees. If you're unsure, ask the recipient directly. Step 3. Input the amount you want to send and add a memo if needed, like rent payment or invoice settlement. This helps with tracking. Step 4. Review everything carefully. In 2025, many banks now require two-factor authentication, so you might get a text code or use biometrics like fingerprint ID. Hit confirm, and you're good to go. ACH payments are cost-effective, often cheaper than credit card transactions, but remember, they aren't instant. Expect it to clear in 1 to 3 business days. Always keep an eye on your account for confirmations and watch out for scams. Never share sensitive info via email. There you have it. Sending an ACH payment is straightforward once you know the ropes. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.